Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm with, I'm Nafa. This is my second video. And, I have my friend, over here called Wary. He's gonna come right now. There he is. Yeah, so I have to type in he has to type. Yeah, I'm new to this. It's very hard. My friend Wary. Sure. He didn't want to trade, he clicked it by accident. Huh. Yeah. Jeez. Huh. I hope I'm not boring anyone. I hope I'm not making anyone bored. So close. Oh, that was close. Close. Now the black chickens. I'll try to train him up a bit. Please. That's mean. It says too poor. That's mean. I'm gonna play something else. This is Discord. Public message. I got tagged. I'm bored. I got an achievement. Attack 1,000 times. I have 100 diamonds. 100 diamonds. That's not bad. 100 diamonds. 100 diamonds isn't bad. Why am I playing with the? Why am I playing with the arrow keys? I don't know why. Let's see. Auto attack for 15 minutes. Or pros. I'm gonna see my friend's thing. Very little. It's level 21. 21. I'm being a reference boy. The top one is Magnificent Shark. He's a sharky boy. He's not my friend, but he's a sharky boy. 8 stack damage, that's bad. So there's the Magnificent Shark. Why is he so good? I'm not that good. Pink. Boy! Why is there a pink chicken? Boy! Are you there? He's probably AFK. I'm tired. But I won't end the video now. Oh, I forgot to say this. Sorry for the late upload. Didn't upload that much. How much do I need for Tarzan? 200 eggs? Jeez. Hold on, there's settings. Let me move this here so you can see it. Settings. Wings show. Quarterly sounds trade. Let's see. How do they people change their What do you use? Wow, that's a lot. Tradicillion. One. That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah. Well. I feel like I feel like I'm gonna end the video. Well, don't forget to pan that like button and subscribe if you like or love this video. Chance of Diamond Rain. Hold on, what does that mean? Well, Diamond Rain? I'm confused. Well, I'm gonna end the video. But before we end it, let's look at the leaderboard. Let's see the final thing. Wow. I thought Tofu was here, but never mind. And they got to level. Wait, this is. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's go to the other one. Top farmers. Oh, that's what I meant. But whoa. Hold the phone there. Hold on. Hold on. Walking is my friend. Wait. For God's sake, again. Where's the work? Oh, there it is. I was so confused. Let's look all the way down. Huh. But Tofu. Oh, yeah, it's just Pandora. I know him. Just for a sake. Wow, that forecast was true. How many diamonds do I have? 200. Not bad at all. Let's see. Well, I'll end the video. Bye, guys.